Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to set up storage quota limit on share folder. Now I am going to create share folder on this server. Our folder name is user data. Now share this folder with full permission. Our user data folder is shared. Close C drive. Now I am going to install File Server and Resource Manager on this server. Go to Server Manager. Click Add Roles and Features. Click Next. Select Role-Based and Feature-Based Installation, then click Next. Click Next. Expand File and Storage Service. Expand File and ISCSI Services. Let's drop down little bit. Click on File Server and Resource Manager. Click Add Features. Click Next. Click Next. Click Restart the destination server automatically if required. Click Yes. Click Install. Our File Server Resource Manager is installed. Click Close. Click Tools. Click File Server and Resource Manager. Expand Quota Management. This is the Quota Tools, where we apply quota on the folder. Select Quota Templates. These are all quota templates. That is, if we set the defaults template to our folder, and which is the template restriction as you are seeing. 10 GB limit, 100 MB limit, 2 GB limit will be applied to that folder. Now I am going to apply storage quota in our share folder. Select Quota. Right-click on Quotas. Select Create Quota. Provide share folder path. Click Browse. Let's drop down little bit. Expand C drive. Select the folder. Click OK. Now I am going to manually define custom quota path. Click Custom Properties. Set the space limit. Default is showing 100 MB. Select MB to GB. Now I am going to set 2 GB max space of our shared folder. Fill description. Limit 2 GB max. Hard quota, do not allow users to exceed limit. Soft quota, allow users to exceed limit, use for monitoring. Now I am going to select hard quota. Click Add. This is general notification when usage reach, default is 85%. Click OK. Click OK. Click Create. Do you want to save a quota template? Fill template name, example 2 GB quota max. Click OK. Now the quota is implemented in our shared folder. I will check the our share folder in another machine, the quota is working or not. Close File Server and Resource Manager. Go to another machine. Go to Run. Access the server. // and type server name or IP address. Then press Enter. Type here server administrator and password. Click remember my credential. Click OK. Double-click on user data. Open File Explorer. Click on this PC. Double-click on C drive. Go to this ISO file properties. This ISO file size is above 2 GB, and we have put maximum 2 GB quota policy on our share folder. Now we will copy this file and paste it in the share folder. Right-click and select Paste. As you can see, it will showing, there is not enough space on user data. This means our quota policy on this server working perfectly. Click Cancel. Now I am going to put some small size of data in this folder. Open File Explorer. Click on this PC. Double-click on C drive. Double-click on Windows folder. I am going to copy this digital locker folder. Paste on Share folder. As you can see, folder is pasted on Share folder, that is, we cannot put data above 2 GB in this folder. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to implement storage quota on shared folder. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.